Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Ahead of the portfolio allocation in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, which took charge a day ago, Telugu Desam Party, the kingmaker MPs from the Andhra Pradesh Baptala constituency on Monday said that the Chandrababu-led party is eyeing infrastructure-related ministries. Two TDP members, Ram Mohan Naidu and Chandrasekhar Pemasani, were sworn into PM Modi's 71-member Council of Ministries on Sunday evening. Allocation of portfolios to the newly sworn-in ministers are expected to be finalized soon, likely after the cabinet's meeting later in the day around 5 p.m. Speaking to the media, the TDP MP Krishna Prasad emphasized on the importance of infrastructure for Andhra Pradesh, a state that emerged after bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana in 2014, with Hyderabad remaining with Telangana. Prasad highlighted key projects like Polvaram irrigation project and the development of Amravati as the metropolis, along with the construction of ports along the state's 1,000 kilometers coastline. He stressed that infrastructure development is crucial for the state's progress over the next 5 years. He praised the government's formation and the NDA's alignment, protecting the country's economic growth will accelerate, aiming to move from the fifth largest economy to the third position within 5 years. He further said that their vision, objectives and functioning methods align well. Our focus, he said, is heavily on the infrastructure which derives the economy and provides the solutions to the employment problems. The Telugu Desam Party notched up 16 seats in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, becoming the larger partner of the BJP-led NDA alliance, which secured 292 seats to form government. President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office and secrecy to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his 71 members of the Council of Ministries at a ceremony held in the Rashtrapati Bhavan last evening. The swearing-in ceremony was attended by leaders from India's neighborhood, among other dignitaries. PM Modi led BJP-led alliance's third successive victory in the recent Lok Sabha polls. The BJP won absolute majority on its own in 2014 and 2019 Lok Sabha polls, winning 282 and 303 seats respectively. However, in 2024, PM Modi leads an NDA alliance coalition with 292 seats with parliament and has led thrust on making India a developed nation by 2047. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.